Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys. I know it's been crazy. I honestly wasn't expecting to make another unboxing so soon after my Montaigne, but I've been stocking this item for a while now and it's so hard to get, and I honestly wasn't expecting to get a hold of it so soon after my Montaigne. But I have the box here and I just can't believe it's in my hands. I literally just received it about half an hour ago, so I thought I should do this unboxing here with you guys. So I'm just going to, how should I do this? Right. I'm just going to pull the ribbon out. I'm just hoping that it's going to be okay. So, the bag in question is the NANO SPEEDY. Wow. It's so cute. I wonder what's the date code for this. Let's try and find it. So the date code is TY1270. So it was made on the 17th week of 2020 and it's made in France. And yeah, so I think I've been stalking this item for about a month now. I've been seeing it everywhere on Instagram and Facebook, and I know I'm a massive Speedy girl. I have about 4 Speedies in my collection, so I thought I just couldn't let go of NANO SPEEDY. I thought it was ridiculous spending that much amount of money for such a tiny bag, but I'm just going to show you guys what actually fits in it, because it can actually fit a lot, and I've watched a lot of review videos on this bag and it's totally convinced me with how much it can fit, especially with your essentials. I'm planning to use this as a sort of travel bag when I have my big suitcase, to have a small bag that just fits my essentials and I don't have to lug like a bigger, almost like a purse around with me in the airport and stuff. And it's definitely cute to use over the summer with summer dresses because it's such a petite bag. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I could fit in it. So I'm gonna try with my mini pochette first. So that has my lipsticks, a smaller hand cream in it, and some medication in it. But I think I would actually take just my lip balm and my lipstick and my hand cream out and put it in the bag. I wouldn't necessarily put in my whole like mini pochette in because it's probably going to take up most of the space. But let's just see how it goes. So, let's see. So that's it in here. Don't know if you can see. I am really sorry about the lighting, by the way, because it's so dull and it's raining outside. But I couldn't wait to unbox this, so I thought I'll do it just now. Next, I'll probably be carrying a card holder rather than a bigger, well, not even a bigger purse, but like a compact purse, just because obviously I can get more stuff in it if I use a flat card holder. So that's it going in here. Then I have my key pouch. And then, let's see, tissues. Hand sanitizer. I think my hand sanitizer is just tall enough. Face masks. I might need to fold these. Let's see. So that's everything so far in here. And I'm gonna try to see if I can squeeze my phone in. Oh, so it fits. So yeah, so that's quite a lot of items in there already. So I am super chuffed with how much it fits. I'm just going to try and zip it up. Yeah. So it does zip up. So it is strained slightly where my hand sanitizer is. I do have a smaller bottle, so I'm just gonna quickly go and grab that. So that's just a smaller bottle here. So you can see there's quite a bit of a height difference in these. So this would definitely fit in. Oops. Yeah. So yeah, so all my essentials do fit in here, and I think this is a perfect grab and go. And if you're just going to run a quick errand, like go out to the shops or something, yeah, definitely very happy with this, and so happy that I can get my hands on it. I just want to say a couple of pointers on how I managed to get this bag, because I know there are a lot of girls out there or just anyone out there who's been stalking this bag for a while and who's been looking for, I think that I was speaking to another girl the other day and she's been looking for hers for about a year now. And my only advice for you guys is that sign up for the purse forum. So I was following the EU edition, so the thread is called Stalking EU edition, on the purse forum, because I'm based in the UK, and I believe the stocks with the EU and the UK share the same stock for Louis Vuitton, so whatever goes on the website for the UK, it'll be the same for the whole of Europe, I believe. So there are amazing people on there who dedicate so much time into basically putting all the hard to find items on their wish list, and they just constantly check the website, and whenever a hard to find item does come up, like say a NANO SPEEDY for example, or a pochette Matisse in a reverse monogram, there were other items like the mini pochette, the pochette accessoire. They were all really hard to find items, and whenever they came up, someone always put oh, NANO SPEEDY add to basket on there. So that's when you know you need to go onto the LV website and, you know, refresh the page and check if it's in stock, and also to have the LV website with the page of your item that you're really wanting on there ready, and have it added to your wish list. So I think it was on last Friday, when I was just refreshing basically like every 2 minutes when I can. I was basically glued to my laptop. It's just to refresh the page every 2 minutes when you can. Both the purse forum page and the page on the LV website where my NANO SPEEDY was on my wish list, I was constantly refreshing those, and whenever I think it came to about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, that's where they started refreshing the stocks again. And I was on a purse forum, and one of the ladies typed NANO SPEEDY's available to buy now basically, and I kept on refreshing the NANO SPEEDY page on the LV website, because when I first switched to my website page, it said it's not available basically, but I basically like spammed my refresh button 3 times and it suddenly turned to add to bag, and I swear to God I've never paid for a bag that quickly. Like I literally add it to my basket, and make sure you have all your card details and PayPal or however way you want to pay for your items. Make sure all your details are saved on your laptop already on the LV website, so you can just click and go basically. And afterwards I was waiting for my email, and a confirmation email came through, and it said that they confirmed my my purchase was fine, and I went into order and preparation. So that's how you know you secured a bag. I wasn't sure at first, but I put that on a purse forum website, and I'm like, hey guys, like it says order and preparation, so does that mean that I've secured a purchase? And the girls on there were like, yeah, like that's great, like you have it, they're just boxing it up and getting ready to ship out to you. So then it was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then on Monday got an email saying that they've shipped it out, and this is Tuesday today, and yeah, so the bag has arrived on Tuesday. So definitely super quick shipping from Louis Vuitton. Really impressed despite the situation that's going on just now, and especially when Nano Speedy is so hard to find. I'm trying to think what other tips I've been using, but basically, the times that I found that Louis Vuitton refreshed their stocks is crazy hours in the morning, like 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning. There's also about 12 to 1 p.m. lunchtime, and when I snagged my Speedy it was between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. And I've always noticed that it's like the end of the week, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday, but that's when I noticed most of the stock came in. And I would also try specifically beginning of the month and the end of the month as well. I think that's all I really have to say, but definitely check out the Stalking EU edition on the Purse Forum blog. All you need to do is just make a password and username, and the everyone on there is extremely helpful. I would say more helpful than the LV customer service. I've actually tried calling customer service 3 times throughout the month, trying to check when this item was available again, and they just kept on telling me the same thing. They basically said, no, we don't have it in stock, check website. And I think the most helpful advice I got from SA was the first customer service, the SA I spoke to, and she said check 7 o'clock in the morning, and I did, and I couldn't find anything around about 7 o'clock, and I realised from stalking the Purse Forum thread that's actually much earlier. It's like about 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning, and it's so funny because some of the ladies on the Purse Forum website, they stay up all night stalking these really hard to find items for us, and it's just amazing what they do. So I tried calling customer service for a month to find a Speedy, and the second I joined this forum, only took me 2 days to find my Nano Speedy. So definitely, if you don't have an SA with Louis Vuitton, definitely recommend signing up for the Purse Forum and keeping an eye on what's available, because they tell you what's available on the website. And yeah, be persistent and be extremely patient. I was so close to giving up on this bag, and I was even contemplating paying like a premium to get a Nano Speedy, because so many people who have them sell them for a higher price. And so I'm definitely extremely lucky and extremely grateful that I can get my hands on this little beauty here. So I will definitely insert some mod shots at the end of this. If you guys have any more questions on this bag, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Another thing I also wanted to mention is I have read about Nano Speedy with some quality issues and stuff, so I think to do with like the lining, the alignment of the zip, and I mean it's fine, mine's okay. I feel quite happy with my one, just need to check it over. Yeah, I mean there's no obvious flaw to it or anything, so yeah, I'm quite happy with my bag. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!